Good morning, student. Here is your Priyanka Miss, and today I am here to take your EV, and I hope you all are fine and you have all enjoyed your winter vacation. So let's continue with our study and continue with our chapter 3. In chapter 3, we have already learned our needs, that is clothes, food, shelter, and water. So today we are going to learn about air. As the water, food, shelter and clothes are important to us, we also need air to live. Okay, air is present all around us. Although we cannot see the air, we can feel the air. Okay, as we can see our food, clothes, shelter, water, everything, but we cannot see air. But it is one of the important thing that we need to live or survive, because if there will be no air, nobody can survive on this earth. Not even a plants or animals, not even us, nobody can survive without air. Air is also important as our water and food. So the clean air does not have any kind of color, smell or taste. But if we burn agarbatti or light agarbatti, we can immediately smell it in the air. And air can also move the things. Okay. So, and we can fill our balloon with air. When we fill air in the balloon, it increases. Now we will learn about what is wind. The moving air is called wind. When the air is moving, it's called a wind. Then we will learn about what is breeze. What is breeze? When the wind is moving softly, it is called a breeze. And when the air is moving very fast and it bending the tree, or sometimes it breaks the tree, these are called storm. So you have come to know about how the air is important to us. Now let's see what are the uses of air. Let us see some example of the uses of air. Aircrafts fly through air. We breathe in air. Air helps us to breathe, and if we won't breathe, we will die. This is a windmill. The blades of the windmill is moved by the air. So air moves the thing. The vehicles of the tire are filled with air. These are some examples. So you have seen how the air is important to us, and you have come to know about the clean air. But day by day our air is being getting unclean, and it is very harmful to us and animals and plants also. Okay, so let us see how our air is getting polluted, and then we will learn about how can we make our air clean. So let us see the example how our air is being polluted. The smoke from the vehicles and the smoke from the factories, these are the main two reasons for unclean air. That how our air is being polluted. Now we will if the air is being polluted, we will also be affected. We will survive. We will suffer from different kinds of disease. Okay, like cancer and all, and there are breathing problem, and there are many more problems. So we need to make our air clean. So what should we do to make our air clean? We should not cut trees, we should not destroy the forest, and we should plant more and more trees so that we can get the fresh air which is important to us, which we need to survive. So don't cut the tree. Try to, if you are cutting the tree, if you are cutting one tree, try to plant 2 more trees somewhere. Okay, in this way we can maintain the greenery of our earth, and we can also live happily on the earth. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Now try to solve the PDF. Thank you.